What's up, everybody? This is J-Train back again with another video, giving you a vlog video today because there's something I wanted to talk about that I wanted to run by you guys to kind of get your opinions on. And then also, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a channel update for some exciting things that I have planned coming down the pipeline. But there's something very interesting I wanted to talk to you guys about that I wanted your opinion on, for those of you who have seen it. But this past weekend, I actually finished watching Avatar, The Last Airbender. It's a show that's been around for a while. It was something that I really enjoyed watching as a teenager. I don't want to date myself too much. I believe I was a teenager when it came out. But I've always wanted to finish watching it, but I never actually did. And the reason for that was because back in the day, Nickelodeon made it so that you actually couldn't really watch stuff like streaming it. Like streaming wasn't really big back then. So you had to watch it like when it came out, when it came out in sequential order. And I'm not that kind of guy who, like, I don't want to watch something halfway through it and not know what happened before it. So I never got around to finish watching it, but I did because Netflix now has it so that, you know, they have the show. And so I watched all of it, and it was incredible. And if you love, you know, animated shows, I honestly think it's one of the best ever made. It's got a lot of awesome stuff, great character development, great animation, a cool concept. Not that like the whole Elements thing is anything new, and in a lot of ways it's played out, but they did a really good job. The ending is one of the best endings that I've ever seen in an animated show. But that ending is something I wanted to ask you guys about. If you haven't seen the show, if you don't like spoilers, here's a spoiler alert. You're going to get spoiled here. So maybe go watch the show, come back to this video. Also, if you want to just jump to the channel update, I'll do this at the end of the video so you can jump in there. I'll try to add timestamps if I can. I know I can. I'm talking about, like, I know YouTube makes it so you can like cut it up and jump to the part of the video that you reference. I haven't fully figured that out. I'm sure it's like somewhat easy, but I'll do that. I'll see if I can do that. So you can just jump to the channel update, trying to get your opinions on two things. So anyway, Avatar: The Last Airbender. Here comes the spoilers. So at the end of the show, when he's fighting the Fire Lord, it's an awesome fight, and there's a lot of things going on. And throughout the show, something happens to Aang, the main character, where something happens to his back, and it blocks up something called chakras. And chakras are something that, you know, people talk about, you know, not in the show, like, you know, people who, the whole concept of people having 7 chakras and stuff like that. Anyway, one of his gets blocked, and it stops him from getting into something called the Avatar state, which is like his super god mode, or, you know, Super Saiyan equivalent mode or whatever. But he can't get into it because it's blocked, and it's like right along his spine or whatever. Anyway, when he's fighting the Fire Lord hits him, and he flies back, and a rock hits him right in the spine. And what that does is it awakens and aligns all of his chakras, and he gets into the Avatar state. And he's able to go super god mode, Avatar state Aang, and eventually beat the Fire Lord. Now, as someone who, if you're new to my channel, this might seem weird to you that I'm fixating on this, but I make chiropractic videos. I make a lot of chiropractic videos. I got over probably 200 plus, you know, more than that. And there's 500 and some odd videos on my channel right now. Most of them are chiropractic. So this is somewhat of a chiropractic, you know, channel. But I thought about it, and I was like, did Aang just beat the Fire Lord after a chiropractic adjustment? Now, I know that The Rock is not a chiropractor, but I thought it was really funny because it's like, did Aang get a subluxation fixed that then allowed all of his energy to flow straight through his body to then enter the Avatar state and defeat the Fire Lord? If I'm a chiropractor, I want to market that. Like I'd be like, defeat the Fire Lord, come into my chiropractic office and get adjusted like Aang the Airbender and save the nations and everything like that. I thought that was very interesting, and I'm gonna tell Dr. Diaz that the next time I see him. I don't know if he's interested in watching the show, but I want to tell him about that. And I just thought that was really cool. I wonder if you guys caught on to the same thing. If you found that if you found that interesting as well. If you kind of thought the same stuff. I mean, maybe because I run a chiropractic channel. That's what I was thinking of. give me your thoughts, and maybe even just give me your thoughts on the show, because I love the show. If you comment, I'll comment back. I'll tell you what I thought about it and everything. It's just such a great, you know, show. I personally would want to be an earthbender. I love the earthbending stuff. I think I'd make a good earthbender. But that's that. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you liked my input or whatever. But now for a channel update. I know that like you guys are used to like videos not necessarily coming all the time in sequential order, and a lot of that is because, you know, I'm not a chiropractor, I'm not a massage therapist, I'm not a barber. I wish I was all of those things, but the money and the time that it takes to get to those things are you know, it takes time and it takes money that I don't have to do that right now. So I have to find these people to do that. But I have some very good news in saying that I think that, like, based off of some things that I have planned, I have more chiropractic videos that are going to be coming. I have more massage videos that are going to be coming. And I'm trying to find a barber right now. Now, barbers are they're somewhat difficult in that, like, they you know, when you ask if you want to do barber videos or whatever, I guess maybe they're not really as into the marketing or whatever. I haven't found one yet. So I'm looking. It's difficult with COVID and everything, but I'm going to try to get that content to you. But also, I want your opinion on, I know that I posted an unboxing video with the Death Scythe Gundam. Let me know what you guys thought about that. It didn't get a lot of views or whatever, but I don't know if that's because people just don't like Gundams, or they don't search for it, or unboxing. You guys don't really like unboxings or whatever. But the reason I did that was because I actually am going to be making two more unboxing videos. One for a really cool item that I bought that I want to make an unboxing for, to see what you guys think, and another item that came with it. You can guess to see what it is, and you'll see if you're right. Maybe I can give you a hint. It's a tech item. So it's an electronic item. So be on the lookout for that. That's going to be coming within the next couple weeks. But chiropractic videos are going to be coming back next month. I got some massage videos that are going to be coming soon. Maybe some, you know, facial videos in terms of, like, you know, what is it, skincare, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know some stuff that you want to see more of. I'll be posting some workout videos as well. I just got out of the gym right now. So all those things are coming to the channel. My goal with this channel, I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys or anything, but I'd like to eventually hit 100,000 subscribers. And if you know anybody who would like my channel or whatever, tell them to hit subscribe, because, you know, this channel is one of the things I'm most proud of, and I love you guys for subscribing. Those of you who subscribe, those of you who get notifications and everything. So, you know, let's keep it rolling. I'm going to try to get content that you guys seem to enjoy, and bear with me if you don't like the content. I'm seeing, like, how I can diversify and everything like that. So for those of you who've been around since the beginning, who constantly support me, who constantly say, you know, you like the videos and stuff like that, thank you. And we'll keep it going. Give me your opinion on everything that was discussed in this video: Avatar, the chiropractic videos I got going, whether or not you want to see more, like, barber stuff, massage stuff going on. I got dermatologist kind of, not dermatologist, but like esthetician kind of stuff, facial stuff. Sorry, I might have butchered that. And let me know what you think about the unboxings, because I really want to do unboxings. I think unboxings are a lot of fun, because I like opening stuff up. Maybe I was born on Christmas Eve, so, like, maybe I'm into, you know, kind of present kind of stuff. But yeah, let me know what you think I'm going to be unboxing. So thanks a lot, guys. More videos to come, more videos that I think you guys are going to like to come. Thanks again for supporting my channel, and if you're new, subscribe, hit the notification stuff, and be well, be safe with COVID and everything. And yeah, thanks, guys.